Classroom Energizer 20. Mingle. Ask students to walk around. They just walk around, bounce around. And then when you say a number, they have to make a group with that number. So they're marching around and you say the number 2. So they have to form pairs. If you say 3, they have to be 3 in a group. 4, 4. If a student is left out, they are out. You can also use another variation where you write a number on the board, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then they have to do an action with that number. So if it's number 1, they have to sit back to back with someone. If it's number 2, they have to stand with toes touching. 3, they sit in a circle. 4, they have to sit on their chair. It's really up to you on how to use it. This is also a great way to train the students to do what you want them to do in class by giving them the numbers and then playing it as a game. Classroom Energizer 21. I love my neighbors. First, let the students write some ideas on the board of what people are. So for example, some people are girls, boys, people with braces, people with glasses, tall people, short people, people that wear jackets, people that wear the color red. So let them write down a list of interesting things that people have. Then students make a circle and put a pencil in front of them with one student in the middle. The student in the middle has to say something. I love my neighbors who are girls. All the girls have to find a new pencil to stand in front of, but they cannot stand at a pencil directly next to them. They have to find a different pencil. The one student who is out without a pencil, they become the new leader. This is an interesting game and I think the students really enjoy this. Just make sure that they don't bump into each other or fight when they run around. We want our students to be safe when they're having fun and moving around the class. Classroom Energizer 22. Awesome adjectives. Each person thinks of an adjective that starts with their name. For example, I am exciting Eric. Then the next person says, I am magnificent Michelle. And he is exciting Eric. Next person, I am jolly James. He is exciting Eric. She is... I forgot, I'm out. The students go around the circle and see if they can remember everyone's adjectives. This is a fun way for the students to get to know each other. Another variation is to use actions. For example, I am Eric, I like to exercise. I am Michelle, I like to move. He is Eric, he likes to exercise, and so on.